Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we have a special guest over here.
Pinkoff.
Sam Pinkoff, Miss Sam Pinkoff herself. And if you guys haven't been watching my Vlogmas or like any of my videos in general, you might have not seen her, but I'm pretty sure you have.
If not, go watch them.
If not, go watch her Vlogmas. She's been killing it. There's a car coming and we're in the middle of the road. Hold on.
Trying to film the intro.
Sorry. Anyway, we're going to be filming a Taco Bell mukbang, however you say it. Yeah. We never know. We did a Domino's one back in the day, so if you haven't watched that one either.
Back in the day.
Back in the day. It was back in the day. Anyway, we did film one of those, so it's on both of our channels. If you guys haven't watched it, I'll link it down below. Anyway, I'm gonna keep this intro short. We're about to order in Taco Bell. I don't know what we're getting yet, but
you'll see.
Oh god, I don't know what I want.
Thank you for choosing Taco Bell.
Okay, one moment please. What's the sign?
What the heck? Can they see it? No, the sign is missing from the menu at Taco Bell.
Do you guys have like half your sign missing?
What if someone stole it as a prank?
I'm sorry?
Half your sign.
Half the sign is like missing. Is that
We know. The wind knocked it down.
Oh, the wind knocked it down. Okay. I think we're gonna have two separate orders.
Okay.
The first one, 2 soft beef tacos.
Okay.
And then, do you guys have like the 4-pack of like the small chicken tacos?
Yes, ma'am.
One of those.
And what's your 2 dipping sauces?
2 dipping sauces. Nacho cheese, spicy ranch, or guac. Nacho cheese.
Nacho cheese.
Both.
Yeah.
Can we have 2 nacho cheese, please?
Okay.
And then, can I also get the Cinnabon Delights?
You want 2 for a 12-pack?
2 for a 12-pack.
Of what?
Cinnabon Delights.
What is that?
They're like the little cinnamon bun with frosting on the inside.
Just get a small one because I'm gonna get cinnamon twist.
4-pack, please.
Okay.
And then a
Cheese girl.
Mountain Dew Baja Blast, please.
Oh, I miss
Small,
soda.
medium, or large?
A small.
I miss soda so much.
Okay. Anything else?
That's all for the first order.
Okay. It's $11.61.
Okay, thank you. What would you like?
That was good. Mine's gonna be in the 20s.
Oh god.
Are you ready for the second order?
Yes, ma'am. You can go ahead.
Mommy.
Ma'am.
Can I get a number 7 chicken with the soft taco supreme?
Okay.
And then I'll take 2 hard taco supremes.
What's the drink for the number 7?
Pink lemonade.
Okay. And you said 2 extra soft taco supreme?
2 hard supreme.
Okay.
Look, mine's already at yours.
Okay.
A cinnamon twist. And then can I get a shredded chicken burrito?
Okay.
That'll be it.
Does your screen look correct?
Does it look correct?
Yes, it does.
It does.
Okay. $14.94. Please go for it.
Thank you.
I got like soft basic tacos, that's why. But I also got the 4-pack of the chicken tacos.
Okay.
Because that's all I like.
I've never had it.
Wait, hold on, I'm on the curb. I need to get my purse. Oh, on the curb again. Okie dokie.
Forgot we had to pay. I'm like, what am I doing? Why do you need your purse?
Hi.
$11.64. Any sauce?
No thank you.
You want sauce for this one?
You want sauce?
I need mild, a lot of mild.
Mild sauce, please. Thank you.
Let me just get
Thank you.
this one defrost mode.
Okay.
So we have the Skittles and the green apple.
Skittles is all green apple is so good. Well, you don't like sour, it's really
Green
sour.
apple is good. I like sour.
Okay, it's sour. It tastes like a Jolly Rancher.
Ooh, interesting. We'll have a taste test. Thank you.
I want one.
You already got mine, correct?
Yeah.
Can I add something to that last order?
Huh?
Can I add something to the last order?
Yeah.
Can I add the Skittles one of this?
You want the green apple?
The Skittles. We have 2 different colors.
Okay. Good
It's
one.
okay. You don't have to pay.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, you're sweet. Thank you.
Here you go.
Thank you so much.
Tell her to keep this.
Okay. This is for you. You can keep it. Thank you. Have a great night.
I think I broke my straw.
Oh.
I literally snapped it. Wow, I got 2 drinks.
Put it towards you. Wait, should we show really quick? We got these.
Ooh, green apple Skittles.
Another drink.
You've never tried your green apple either.
No, but we're gonna save it till we get home because we have a great mukbang set up. You guys haven't seen it yet unless you watch the vlog. My food. And Sam's food.
Mine's in a bigger bag.
And she's still gonna eat a big ass dinner later too.
I really
bet.
hope we go to dinner.
Okay,
I love
I'll let him know. Okie dokie, well, we are headed back home now, so we'll see you guys once we get in our setup. Can I just say how Christmassy this is?
Yes, it is actually.
I just now realized, like, we didn't even plan this, but this is perfect.
Yes, try it.
Try it? Okay, I'm gonna try the drink first.
Too sour?
No,
You
it's
like
so
it?
good.
Your tongue's gonna be green.
I literally just drank a matcha and I was like, I have to brush my teeth, my tongue, my teeth,
You're like,
my
I'm
tongue.
gonna scrub.
Yeah, I was like, I have to
It's
scrub
gonna
my
turn
tongue.
green again. That's funny. I'm going in because I'm hungry.
It's just the trend today.
I'm gonna be messy, so
We have to see what we got first too.
I got cinnamon Swiss.
Oh,
I usually don't get them.
I can smell them. They smell so good.
Really, I can't smell it.
I
just
got,
smell food.
since you went in with the cinnamon twist, I'll show mine. I got these Cinnabon Delights,
I've never had them.
which they're like little
Donuts?
They're kind of like little donuts, but like they have like the Cinnabon frosting on the inside.
Okay.
So they're really good. I have those.
I love mild sauce, so I got mild. I can't have tacos without some sort of like wet sauce on it.
Really?
Yeah, and I used to never get it.
That's so funny. We got 2 nacho cheeses because we're going to be trying out the chicken tacos. I'm pretty sure these are new. I saw them in a mukbang
thought you
before.
had them.
I've never tried them. I saw them in somebody else's mukbang.
Oh.
So we're gonna try them. We have 4 of them in here. You see how they look? We'll show you guys.
They kind of
later.
look like taquitos.
Yeah, kind of like that. So we're gonna have these with the nacho cheese.
I got a hard taco, a soft taco, and another hard soft. What is this? No, 2 hard and a soft.
Oh my god, you did get so much more than me.
Yeah. Are you done?
Shit! I have 2 tacos.
Ah!
2 baby tacos.
No, I have so much.
It's okay.
I also got a shredded chicken burrito.
Oh my god.
And some more mild sauce.
It wasn't that bad for though everything. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. I got 4. You got 5. 6.
I also got a chicken quesadilla. They're my favorite. Sometimes they're a little spicy inside though, and I
Really?
freak out. So I'll have like half of this drink with 1 bite.
Ooh, this is kind of soggy. Look at it. Is yours like that too?
It is.
It's okay. They're usually kind of soggy, honestly, these soft tacos.
Yeah, my hard taco is soggy. Look at that.
No. It's okay.
Let's dig in!
I'm so excited. I haven't had Taco Bell in a really long time.
It's like a daily thing for me.
You know, I think you're the one who told me that it's the healthiest fast food. Or was it somebody else?
Not me, because it's actually not.
Really? I heard
It's
it
like
was.
dog meat.
They
It's
said
like equivalent to dog meat.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
I heard it was ranked like healthiest fast food. We'll have to look it up
Chick-fil-A's
after.
up in there, and PDQ.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
PDQ's fresh.
What the fuck?
Okay, let's see.
I'm 5 bites and you're 0. What is that?
Soft taco.
Oh.
I did half of it. In 1 bite.
Oh, wow. Dude, rock on.
Thank you. Impressive. You said I'm 5 bites in, so I just did it for
I
you.
love being messy. I don't even know what to talk about. I'm so into my food.
So, Sam's visiting me, if you guys didn't know. We're not going to go into too much detail because you guys can look back at our vlogmases. But she's leaving tomorrow,
I am.
which is really sad, in the morning. We've been trying to get as much content as possible for you guys. Oh no! It's just condensation, it's okay. You're gonna tell me it was a big ass word for no reason. That's what it's called!
It's just water from the cup on the outside. Just condensation.
What is it that I said earlier? Oh, I said I need to format my SD card.
Why do you have 12 napkins and you're not sharing any with me when I'm messy?
I didn't know you needed napkins. Here, take them all.
It's just condensation. No big deal.
That's what
Water.
it's called.
Hopefully my hair doesn't get sticky. I'm wearing her jacket because I like the color on me. I actually like your jacket you're wearing too, but it was out of
Thank
stock.
you. I remember you telling me that.
Yeah.
I really want to get like a good outfit with like a good Insta pic with it, but I don't want to do it until I dye my hair black.
You can always like
the one that I'm saving. What, like edit it black?
yeah.
Yeah, that. I don't know. I'll probably just wait.
So do we dip these in that? Oh,
Wait for me though. We're gonna try them together. Let me get my last bite. So I saw Taylor Alicia try these in her mukbang. She said they were okay, but we'll try.
Great. You picked the crunchiest one. I literally saw you judge them.
I was going for either this one or this one. This is what they look like. I'm gonna dip mine.
I don't like too much cheese.
I love their nacho cheese.
Okay. I don't know. It's nothing special.
I think the cheese makes it. It's good, but it's not, yeah,
It's
like
dry.
you said.
It's dry. I'm so used to my tacos having like sour cream or sauce on them. It tastes like a taquito.
Yeah. They're kind of skinnier though, usually, right? A taquito.
And like
So it's
flour,
like a bigger
like
version.
that.
They're not bad. They're pretty good. But yeah, they are a little bit dry.
You
Like
can
you
have the
said.
rest.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hope you can't hear me swallowing. Let's see if these are spicy. No, I kind of like these when they're colder because they're not as spicy.
I've never tried anything like taco wise other than these now and like the soft beef tacos.
You ever tried quesadilla?
Never tried a quesadilla.
What is this baby one?
I've never tried the Dorito Locos, whatever they're called. Have you had that one?
No, I'm very like into my own order all the time.
Me too. That's why I get the most basic thing ever. I do that everywhere though.
What do you think?
Really cheesy.
They have like a sauce in there. It's kind of spicy. Yeah.
I like spicy.
Orangey sauce.
I taste the spice now on the second
Really?
bite. Yeah.
I haven't tasted it yet.
It's not a lot, but a little bit.
I already got tomato everywhere.
It's okay. We have a table. I'll clean it
I hope we
down.
go to dinner tonight.
Yeah, we're going to the Night of Lights tonight, which is in St. Augustine, which is actually the oldest town
You said.
in
You
the
told me
United
that.
States. Yeah.
When you posted that picture, I stopped.
Yeah. I put that as my caption. It was.
Keep talking. It's all good.
Oh my god!
Keep talking.
The nation's oldest birthday on 4th of July in the nation's oldest town. That's what I put. Pretty good. You know how I got that caption?
Someone else.
The 4th of July like event, like they had someone on the mic talking before the
They said
fireworks,
that.
and they said it, and I was like, wow, that's a
Love
great
that.
Instagram caption. Thank you.
I don't know how to eat a broken taco. I have no room for my elbows.
Aww.
Ooh. I want to live by you.
I know. Everybody, comment down below and tell Sam she needs to move next to me.
Everyone, go fund me money so I can move here. Just kidding.
We're not serious, but seriously, she needs to live here.
It kind of sucks we have to say just kidding nowadays
It's, yeah.
because people freak out.
Yeah, definitely. It's a lot more sensitive now.
Anyways, Lamia's popular. Her phone goes off every 5 minutes.
Half the time it's my dad. Every time she asks me, she goes,
Wow.
"You're so popular." And I'm like, it's my dad. My
mean-
dad's popular. He's
He
cooler
seems-
than
yeah.
me.
It is.
He literally, like, he is. Like, I won't even argue about it. He goes out, like, every night with his friends. They either go hang out at their houses. It's, like, a big-ass group of friends, too. They go to the freaking bar and hang out. He's, like, in a frat. Literally. It's, like, a fraternity. And all his friends are, like, so much younger than him. And he's just so cool. He told me the other day, he was like, I'm going to go to with you and I'm going to throw all the parties and nobody's going to want to be your friend. They're going to want to be my friends.
That's funny.
Uh-huh.
He's also very handy. He helped me set up my, like, mount in my car for my camera.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, our mounts are so good now. The car vlog quality is solid.
By the way, guys, she put lashes on me and did my contour and highlight. That's why I look so fabulous.
She looks fabulous no matter what. I don't know what you're talking about. But I did do them. It took a couple tries.
But I did do that. I noticed, like, the really small things, though, and she was like, I could tell she was like, fuck. Every time I was like,
and she's like, you see that little white speck right there? I want that little minuscule white speck filled in. I'm like, okay.
it was, like, literally the size of, like, an ant's leg.
You need a, like, what are they? Telescope? No, not telescope.
Microscope.
Microscope! Whoops.